Hi everyone, this is my art presentation. I decided to go with a drawing. I drew a heart with a brain inside, and the quote that I chose to go with it was, "A man who works with his heart is a laborer, a man who works with his hands and brain is a craftsman, but a man who works with his hands and his brain and his heart is an artist," by Louis Nizer. In this project, we were asked to produce an art presentation to represent our philosophy of nursing. I believe that nursing in and of itself is an art form, but it was harder to pin down what my personal nursing philosophy was. I believe a nurse must draw from not only their brain and intellect to tell them the necessary interventions to perform for their patients, but also on their heart and compassion to lead them down the right paths of discussion and bonding so that they can provide all-encompassing care for their patients. How does this relate? This picture relates to nursing through the 4 major nursing paradigms. 1. Health. In order to be truly healthy, a person must be whole not only physically, but mentally and spiritually as well. Compassion helps lead nurses to provide mental and spiritual care for their patients, while intellect helps them know the interventions to provide physical care. 2. Person. A person must possess compassion and intellect in order to provide complete care for patients that encompasses mental, spiritual, and physical aspects. 3. Environment. A nurse must help create an environment that fosters healing so that patients can have the best chance of recovery. This environment includes intellect, technology, innovation. However, the most important concept is compassion. 4. Nursing. Nursing is a profession, a discipline, and an art form. It is based on research, innovation, intellect, skills, and compassion. All of these aspects join together inside a nurse to help him or her provide holistic care for their patients and ensure patients heal physically, mentally, and spiritually. In conclusion, my personal philosophy for nursing is intellect meets compassion, which creates the art of healing. I believe you need intellect and compassion to help you nurse patients and provide care for their mental, physical, and spiritual aspects.